Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back if you have been here before. My name is Monisi, and today I'm going to be showing you how I gave these simple white candles a Christmas makeover. The first DIY I'll be showing you will include napkins, wax paper, and an iron, or you can also use a heating gun or a hairdryer. And I found these napkins at TJ Maxx. I thought they were really cute, very different styles, but I decided to use the gingerbread houses for the taller candles. So the first thing I did for this napkin transfer was I cut the napkins the size it needed to be able to wrap around the candles. And what you want to do after that, usually the napkins have 2 layers, and you want to get to the first, like the top layer, so you peel off the bottom, which you'll see here in a bit. It kind of takes a little bit of time to find a corner where you can easily peel it off, but this is what you're going to want to do, and you will be using the printed side. Once your napkin is the size you want it to be, you want to put the printed side touching the wax on the candle so that you get the bold print on the wax. And then I forgot to film myself cutting the wax paper, but then you put the wax paper over the napkin and then you iron on to the wax paper, and then once it's dry you can peel it off, and it's just as easy as that. Sometimes it's kind of hard because you don't want the crinkles and stuff to show, and I did have to go over it a few times with the wax paper in some spots. So I used that, and for the two bigger ones, I used the gingerbread house napkins, and this smaller one I'm using the Christmas berry napkin, which I thought was really cute. And as you can see here, you can really tell once the wax is melted, and you can kind of wait till it dries and peel it off, and it's ready to be used. For this next little makeover, you can use your creativity, and you will be using acrylic paint, and if you have taper candles, you will need those as well. And for this one, you just kind of use acrylic paint and a paintbrush, and you paint on your candles whatever you want. I decided to paint some Christmas trees and also some wreaths on this one right here. As I was doing this, I knew I didn't want it to be too bright, too many colors, so I decided to just add some red to it, and I decided to just put some berries on the trees, and then I added some red bows onto the wreaths. I like how these little candle crafts, you can have a craft night with your friends and have a girls' night, enjoy yourselves, and use your creativity to make it your own. I really love how mine turned out, but I like that you can make it your own version to kind of match your personality, and it was very simple and just fun to do. So if that's something you're interested, I hope that you end up having a girls' night with your friends and have some happy crafting moments. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some ideas for a fun craft, and I hope to see you in the next video.